Well, hello there. If you enjoy our content today, think about subscribing. At least give me a big thumbs up. Thanks! Well, hello there, and thanks for coming by and having tea with Linda. In case you didn't know, I'm Linda, and this is Alexander. Hi!
Hello.
All right, Alexander, since you're the guest, tell me, what tea have you selected for us to try today?
It's a bird blend, Builder's Breakfast Brew. So there's a lot of alliteration with this tea. Try saying that 5 times. Builder's Breakfast Brew.
Bird and Blend Builder's Breakfast Brew.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a Kenyan black tea. So I'm excited about that because I've never had Kenyan tea, I don't think.
Oh, really? Oh, no, he didn't have the purple tea. We've had purple tea from Kenya before, and a Mount Kenyan black tea from Just Tea, which was quite yummy. And the purple tea was called Purple Rain.
Purple Rain.
And it was scrummy. Oh my God, it was so scrummy. So, yes, we have pulled out the black tea maker and we found the lid. So, yay! How exciting is that? The lid's been missing for like a month.
Hooray.
So, let's see. All right, so our Bird and Blend Builder's Breakfast Brew is a full-body builder's tea, perfect with your fry-up. Our ingredients are Assam, Ceylon, and Kenyan black teas. Brew 4 minutes with or without milk. All right.
Milk. He needs some milk.
Alexander was surprised to see that we've gone all natural and drink everything naked now.
I like me some honey because I have.
It just smells like good tea. So it's ground kind of fine, but we've had worse. These appear to be tea granules as opposed to leaves.
Do you know what this reminds me of?
Coffee?
Grape nuts.
God.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, I know what you're talking about. Grape nuts are the worst.
I love grape nuts. Put some sugar on top. Oh my God.
They're always hard. They're like...
They never get soggy.
Yeah, they're going to break your teeth.
They're perfect.
Oh, horrible.
It's the cereal that never sogs. It's like what every
Hey
cereal
Siri,
wishes it
set a
was.
timer for 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Starting now.
Oh my gosh, she is just annoying sometimes.
It looks like grape nuts
All right.
in the thing.
We have, okay, so by the time this one comes out, it'll be about a month ago when we had the Brooks Blend tea. And it was, I told you it was like the Assam teas that you find in the India's original Marsala chai from Vadam. Turns out I kept calling them grounds because it looked like coffee grounds. They were tea granules. So I had my terminology incorrect. So these appear to be tea granules as well.
What makes something a granule versus a ground?
I don't know. Coffee grounds, tea granules. I don't know. I don't know either. So anyway, oh well. So we'd like to give a big shout out to our producer for the day. Hello, Spencer.
I'm tweeting
Spencer.
right
So,
now. I'm tweeting.
hey Siri, stop timer. Love little tea bowls. I love the foot. Oh my God, the foot's so cute. Super cute. Super cute.
Super cute.
Oh my God, it's super cute. Super cute.
Deep down, she's a valley girl.
As I fall off the chair, which wouldn't be the first time. Or
These
the
chairs
last.
don't have the, what you call it, you know what I'm saying?
What do you mean?
Like, because they're bouncy and whatnot, like they're not like flat, so you can't, if you lean to one side, like,
Well, no.
it leans with you.
Yeah, it's supposed to help your core, you know, strengthen your core, but it doesn't do that. it's
You got to get that chair that goes in a circle while you're working.
for an older non-graceful person like myself, it's just to make you fall off.
Every time I watch this.
Oh, friends, guess what? Oh my gosh, we have the yum yum color. Yum yum. Yum yum yum.
So this teapot relies on gravity.
Yes. So the one from Adagio, which this is the Adagio one, is called the Ingenuity.
Ah, it's an excellent name for
No.
something so reliant on gravity.
So, at T2s, it's just called a tea maker. Actually, I think they're just called tea makers everywhere else. So, all right. So, our builder's breakfast is the yum yum color. It's got that beautiful red and brown and caramely golden notes with those oranges. It is see-through, even though it is dark. I'm not seeing any particulate in it. It smells like tea, but it doesn't smell like one over any of the others.
Kind of tastes like grape nuts too.
Ooh, that's nice. Oh, you get that Assam in it because it's got that maltiness, and then that quinum.
Yeah, it
that
does.
quinum hits you.
Yeah, it does. Oh, I don't like that.
I don't think I would have put a Ceylon with it just because it's such a mild type of tea that your quinum and Assam kind of blots that out for me. Where I'm tasting the Assam first and then the quinum after that.
Yeah, that needs some sugar for me.
Oh, that is yummy. That is brisk. It is bold.
It is definitely bold.
It's a good, slap you across the face and wake you up tea.
It'll definitely slap you across the face.
Honestly, I would drink this the Linda way with half and half and some raw sugar in it. If I was to make a pot of this, a single cup, I'd probably still do the same thing. But this is very good naked like this too.
I'm glad you think so.
Yeah, I'm loving it. So just so you can see, this is my teapot in the morning. I drink like 2 of these a day at least. This is crap tea that I have in here, so there's like 6 bags.
Well, you could definitely builders brew your way.
This is,
for
yeah,
a few days, I'm sure.
this is quite yummy. I'm really enjoying this.
I will say this, the 100%, like, if you were to cream and sugar this, it would not lose its flavor.
No,
I think it would soften it to become more pleasant for someone like me, who's like, a baby, underdeveloped palate for tea, and like, I like sweet things. I like sweet teas. I don't like sweet candies, I like sweet teas. But it wouldn't lose that tea flavor. It wouldn't be drinking cream and sugar. You're drinking tea with cream and sugar.
that makes sense.
I will say this tea it's not that the flavors are bad, they're just too much for me. It's like,
It's too potent for you.
it's too potent for me, yeah. That's what it is. So maybe if I were to steep this with half a teaspoon, it would taste
Well,
more palatable for me.
yours would probably, if you do a second steep, because with it being like this, you can do a
Right.
second steep, you would probably enjoy your second steeping very much as opposed to the first one.
That makes a lot of sense.
So, because then you're at a much mellower blend with it.
Absolutely.
So
That makes a lot of sense.
what you need to find in life is a woman who likes the first cup and you can have the second.
That's genius. Or I just find, a woman who can go pick some tea for me
Get from out
outside.
of the mountains and
Go outside and get
yeah,
the
just
tea.
get the mountains, have freshly picked tea. So, all right. Well, anything else you'd like to add?
No,
Good.
it's been
All right.
fantastic.
Alrighty, well, thank you so much for coming by and having a never mind. Thank
Thanks
you.
for having a cup with us.
There you go. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye. funny. That was good. I wasn't expecting it. You got me there. I was like, ooh.
Every now and again I can do it.